A condition that really had become an afterthought is once again the center of attention. Tonight, Colorado's health department confirms 2 people have died from multisystem inflammatory syndrome, or MISC.
The state will only confirm the patients were under the age of 21. However, MISC is most common in children older than 1 and younger than 15.
And the condition has been linked to the coronavirus, but doctors cannot say for sure what causes it. Denver 7's Ivan Rodriguez reports.
Rup Hardawar will never forget the horrifying experience his son lived through.
I was there shaking, Jaden, wake up, come on, Jaden.
8-year-old Jaden was lifeless on his bed of their New York City home.
I'm losing this kid right now.
Jaden was rushed to the hospital. Doctors later diagnosed the 8-year-old with MISC after testing positive for COVID-19.
It wasn't something that we thought would have been troublesome to us. It wouldn't have come in our home.
Doctors were able to treat Jaden, and he walked out of the hospital 2 weeks later.
This is something unique to children, usually young children under the age of 10.
Here at home, Jaden's story serves as a warning now that the Colorado Department of Health says there have been 7 cases across the state and 2 deaths. 3 of those cases were treated by Reginald Washington, the chief medical officer at Rocky Mountain Hospital for Children.
They all came in through the emergency department. They were all under the age of 10. They had been ill for approximately 2 to 3 days with a fever, a rash, redness of their eyes and the palms of their feet.
Washington says children diagnosed with MISC were likely exposed to COVID-19. He says parents should not panic, but be aware of any developing symptoms.
I think they should be diligent about watching their children. If they develop a fever, a rash, usually abdominal pain or other GI symptoms.
As for Jaden, his parents will be keeping him home from school and do remote learning. A similar debate many families and school districts across Colorado are facing as the school year approaches. Ivan Rodriguez, Denver 7.